Greetings. We warmly welcome you to Glorium Technologies Knowledge Hub. How to build a telemedicine app. Everything you need to know. Would we see the rise of telemedicine if not for the pandemic? It's hard to say. But one thing is clear. Telemedicine is here to stay. It is tapping ongoing issues today that need to be tapped, from accessibility to the healthcare inequality gap. According to Fortune Business Insight, back in 2019, the telemedicine market volume amounted to $61.4 billion. Now, it promises to reach $559.52 billion by 2027. Having your platform for the provision of medical services is not just important, but vital. So let's start from the beginning. What is telemedicine and how to make a telemedicine app? What is the telemedicine app and how it works? Telemedicine is the remote provision of medical services using digital technologies, including applications. Many people interested in how to build a telehealth app need to understand the difference between telemedicine and telehealth. Both belong to the health IT category, but differ in capabilities. Telehealth platforms cover a more comprehensive range of services. These include telemedicine, education, telepharmaceuticals, and other non-clinical services eligible for remote delivery. Telemedicine focuses on clinical applications. There are several modes of medical services available through telemedicine apps: video conferencing, consultation, prescription issuance. Here's how the application works. The patient creates an account, searches for a doctor based on symptoms, pays for services after consultation, and receives receipts. The application can be universal or specialized. A universal application is, in fact, a marketplace with the services of various doctors, usually self-employed. A specialized application belongs to the clinic. As of 2022, 91% of hospital executives surveyed in the United States reported their organization had already implemented telemedicine or e-visits, with 5% indicating they would implement this technology in the next year, Statista. Why build a telemedicine platform? Benefits for doctors and patients. Providing medical care through the app benefits everyone. Patients have free access to healthcare, and doctors can effectively manage their time. Here's how telemedicine apps improve medical businesses' outcomes. Data centralization and monitoring, schedule optimization, automation of administrative processes, service quality assurance. Healthcare Coalition statistics confirms that 50% of doctors who practice telemedicine during the pandemic have become more productive. About 60% noted telemedicine's effectiveness in serving patients from cities, suburbs, and villages. Almost 70% of specialists expressed a desire to expand the use of telemedicine in their practice. Here's how telemedicine apps improve patients' convenience. Search for specialized professionals, comprehensive home treatment, scheduled examinations and health monitoring, access to medical data. The same single care survey shows that 78% of patients are satisfied with telemedicine services. At the same time, 42% of respondents noted that they saved time, and 36% said that the online meeting was successful. Top features of the telemedicine apps in 2023. Features for a doctor app. Features for a doctor appointment scheduling app include personalized calendar integration, appointment reminders, and automated appointment confirmations. Additionally, the app should offer remote scheduling for telehealth visits, provide a secure patient portal, and allow for easy management of patient records. The quote, total package app should be able to accept payments and integrate with billing systems and offer a way to book recurring appointments with patient profiles. Finally, the app should provide physicians with analytics and reporting tools to help them understand patient trends and make better decisions. Let's take a closer look at the main doctor app features. Doctor's profile, a doctor's registration with an indication of specialization, competencies, and experience. Calendar, access to the database, or EHR. Communication channels, communication with patients using text messages, voice calls, or video sessions. Document exchange. Payment management. Features for a patient's app. The must-have features for the patient app are registration, health records, calendar, geolocation, tracking medical and pharmaceutical facilities nearby, search, communication channels, payments, ratings. How to build a telemedicine platform. 4 stages. The telemedicine app software development process can be divided into 4 stages. Initiation. Project potential assessment and business analysis. Competitors are analyzed, the target audience is determined, and user characters, user story, and customer journey map are created. Study of software requirements. The requirements for the telemedicine application, industry regulations, or HIPAA, high-tech, etc., and standards to be followed are defined. Function prioritization. A set of valuable functions for business users or doctors and target audiences or patients is being compiled. Planning and architecture design. Planning. Reproducing the basic logic of the application, distributing functionality across screens, and setting up logical connections between screens to ensure a high-quality user experience. It is executed based on custom scripts and a client path. Design. Rendering all screens and graphic interface elements, or buttons, logos, icons, fonts, and animations, based on the brand book to form user-friendly application logic. Development and testing. Development. Building architecture, data exchange structures, organizing a database, developing server scripts, creating an admin panel, deploying and configuring logging systems, the layout of screens and animations, setting up logic, implementing API functionality, and adapting to Android and iOS platforms. Testing and bug fixing. Detection of bugs and inconsistencies, elimination using quality assurance, quality control, and bug fixing methods. Certification and launch. Certification. Adaptation of software to state standards and norms. For example, HIPAA in the U.S., 1995/46/EC data protection, and 2002/58/EC/IEC 62304 electronic data privacy in Europe, the general regulation of the GDPR. Deployment. Placing a finished application in the App Store, Google Play, and Microsoft Store. How to expand the capabilities of the telemedicine platform. The development of a telemedicine application is based on the latest technologies. AI tools, big data, IoT, and blockchain are often used to expand the platform's capabilities. How much does it cost to build a telehealth app? It is easy to calculate the cost of software development if you know the approximate time to complete the project. To find out how long it takes to develop an application for Android and iOS, you need to estimate the timing of the stages roughly. The final cost depends on many factors: the complexity of the functionality, the scale of the project, the technology stack, and the developer's location. You don't want to fall for the low prices. Picking the right vendor right away will help you avoid double work and keep costs low. If you are looking for a reliable provider to make your telemedicine app, choose one with experience in the field, familiar with the specific requirements and technical aspects of developing a telemedicine app. This includes understanding the various regulations and standards that must be followed and the security protocols necessary to protect patient data. Glorium Technologies is well-versed in the latest trends and technologies related to telemedicine. Contact us today and find out how to build an app that will help you get ahead of the competition. Thanks for listening to us. Learn more at gloriumtech.com.